In a counter affidavit filed before the Supreme Court, the Election Commission of India has stated that the electoral photo identity card cannot be accepted as a document for inclusion in the electoral roll during the ongoing special intensive revision in Bihar, since the process is a fresh revision of the electoral rolls. On Aadhaar, the ECI reiterated that it is not recognized as a valid document for inclusion in the electoral roll because it does not establish citizenship and is merely proof of identity. The ECI referred to Section 9 of the Aadhaar Act 2016, which explicitly provides that possession of an Aadhaar number does not confer citizenship. The Commission addressed the exclusion of ration cards from the list of acceptable documents during the Bihar SIR by pointing to the prevalence of fraudulent cards. It relied on a press release dated 7th March 2025 from the central government, stating that it has removed 5 crore fake ration cards. These submissions were made in response to petitions challenging the ECI's June 24, 2025 order. During the hearing of the petitions challenging the Bihar SIR, the Supreme Court on July 17 had orally commented that the determination of citizenship was not the function of the ECI and that it was the prerogative of the union government, and urged the ECI to consider Aadhaar, voter ID and ration cards in the Bihar SIR process. The matter is next listed for hearing on July 28. To know more about this case in detail, please visit our website, and for more such legal updates, stay tuned to Live Law.